Hello everyone. Today we will start with the topic if else statement in Python. So we will start with the first theoretical part and then we will code it and see how it executes. So I will start. So first today we are starting with the conditional statement in Python. See what exactly are the conditional statements. Conditional statements are to check the condition whether the condition is true or whether the condition is false. Means, suppose we take an example who is eligible for vote. Suppose in India, if someone age is greater than 18, so he is eligible to vote, and if the age is less than 18, he is not eligible for vote. So in Python, we have three conditional statements. We exactly have more than three statements. So today we are discussing with three Python statement. That is, first we are starting with if statement. In Python, we have first statement is if statement, then else statement, that is if else part, and elif statement means the combination of both, means if we have more than two conditions to check the if part. So we will proceed further. So what is if statement? So if statement works on if checks the condition. If the condition is true, then it executes, and if the condition is false, it moves to the further block of the code. So we will first see what exactly the if statement syntax is. The syntax for the if statement is if the condition is checked. What is the condition? If the statement is true, the condition is true, it moves to the statement part, the further block of code. So let's see. We will execute this on the spider for the coding part. So I'm just sharing my again screen. Just so I hope my screen is visible. So moving to this part. So first we will input the age. Will we are taking one example, the age of a student. The age of a person. If the age of that person is greater than 18, he is eligible to drive. If the age is less than 18, he is not eligible to drive. So we will and we input the age from the user. So age equals to, we are taking, we have to convert it into the integer format. Input, what we are now use the statement, enter the age. So now we will proceed to the state. Now the age would be entered by the user. So we will move to the coding part. If age is greater than 18, then only he is eligible to drive. So we will print, enter the age. Now we will use the statement print. Print what we need to print. We will write in caps to drive. He is eligible to drive. So let's execute this code once. So we will run this code. So here's saying enter the age. Now first time I am entering, let the age is 15. Let first time I am entering, let the age be 15. So we see no output. Now I am executing it again. So if I am execute it again, now I am writing the age 30. See, the answer is eligible to drive. We get the print statement eligible to drive. So in the next further segment, we will move to the next conditional statement, that is if else statement. So moving to this statement, that is if else. So I'm just sharing again my screen. That is if else. So in if else condition, if condition is checked, if the if the true condition is checked, the true segment of the code is executed, and if it is false, else part of the code is executed. So I will move to again to my the coding part. So we will move to the same segment straight. spider part. Just sharing my screen again. So now I am using in this again the else part. Else, what it print? Print will print not eligible to write. Means we can say, or we can say simply underage. Right? So we will again execute this code. Now, first time I'm writing 16. See, the output window is saying not eligible to drive. Now, if I execute it again, now I am writing 45. So the answer is eligible to drive. So in this segment, in the first segment, we have discussed if statement. What's the syntax for if? Then we have discussed if else statement. And then in the next video, we will discuss the elif part. So as of now, it is the introduction for the statement. Thanks.